also customize the look of your interface here. Say for example, you want your toolbars, which is a toolbars in here, you want to make it floating. Whenever you see this two lines there, you just say you can reposition or relocate the toolbar or the menu or whatever. So you just go closer to that one, and if you go closer, then you see the move icon. Okay, it becomes visible. It means so you can drag it inside the graphics area. So click and then drag. Now you got floating toolbars now. Now it's the same thing with the color palettes here. If I click here and click and drag, now I have floating palettes like that. And the same thing here. If I click on the property bar, let's say I move this over this side, and I move this property bar over here. Okay, now it's a floating property bar now. And yeah, so you can also close that if you want to. Or now, say for example, you want to go back to the original one, right? So you can click here and then just go move to the right side, and there it snaps back. I'll do it the same way here. It snaps back. Now my property bar there, I accidentally closed the property bar. So how would I call that back? Say, so now in here, if I go to Windows and click on toolbars here, the property bar is unchecked. Okay, so if I click on check, if I check the property bar, now my property bar is now visible. So what I'll do, I'll move this over back to the original state, which is in here. There. Now I have my property bar again. So it's really up to you to customize your page. Okay, now let's enter some text in your page. So in order to enter text, you click on the text tool, which is the A button, and then you have two choices actually, to create an artistic text or create a paragraph text. So I'm just going to show you the artistic text first. So you click on the artistic the A tool or the text tool and click on any part of your drawing, and then I'll just put there, and then I can start typing artistic text. Okay, so I typed in artistic text. You use artistic text in like title, subtitle, or a logo, or yeah, anything to do with text that that it's not a text content. Okay, not like paragraph text. Okay, then I can change the font, which is in this portion here, and I can change the font size, which is this one here. I can make it smaller or bigger. I'll just make that 72. So that's artistic text. Now I am going to create a paragraph text. So I click on my text tool, and I'll click and drag to make a window or a box or an area. Okay. So right now, if I zoom in here, I can type my paragraph text. So paragraph text. Okay, so I have some text in my clipboard already. So what I'll do, I'll just Control V to paste. So this right now is my paragraph text. Okay, if you notice in paragraph text is once I enlarge the paragraph text area, it adjusts to the text adjusted to it wraps around the box like that. You can do that with artistic text. Okay. Now in here in the paragraph text, if you want to change the font size, you click on the paragraph text, and then you can choose the font style here. I mean the font size and also the font type. Okay. So that's the difference between the paragraph text and artistic text. So artistic text is more for title, subtitle, labels, and paragraph text is more of a, like a content text of your artwork or your brochure. And this box here, the paragraph text box, it has like a dash line. Okay, just ignore that because that's not a printable. Okay, it's not gonna print with the dashed lines.